Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to add text to a photo on your Mac using the built-in Preview app. Start by locating the picture you want to edit. If it doesn't open in Preview automatically, right-click the image, choose Open With, and select Preview. Once the photo's open, move to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click Tools, choose Annotate, and then select Text. A text box will appear on top of your image. Click inside that box and type whatever text you want to add. You can drag the text box to any area of the photo to place it exactly where it looks best. If the text is difficult to read against the image, click inside the text box and press Command+A to select all the text. Then use the formatting options near the top of the preview window to make adjustments. You can change the text color, add a background color, or increase the font size to make your message stand out more clearly. You can also switch to a different font, apply bold or italic formatting, and resize the text box if your text needs more space. By the way, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips that can help you get more done with your devices. Once you've customized the text, click and drag it to the final position on your image. Take a moment to check how it looks and make any final adjustments. A useful tip is to use a lighter text color, such as white, when placing text on darker parts of a photo, since it usually improves readability. When you're happy with the result, save your changes by pressing Command+S or click File and then Save from the menu bar. Your photo will now include the text you added. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like and check out our other Mac guides.